Welcome to another BizUp tutorial. Today we will demonstrate how to create a professional email signature using Zoho Tools. Go to zohomail.tools and select the signature generator item on the left. Complete all of the personal and business information required for the signature. Click the Copy HTML code button. Next, go to mailadmin.com. Here, you will have two options for signatures: organization signatures and user signatures. For now, let's add a new user signature. We'll name it Default Signature. Click the More Options icon and select the Insert HTML icon. Paste the HTML copied from the signature generator. When we compose a new email, our new signature is available, but the image is not quite right. Using the signature generator, we can remove the image altogether. Copy the HTML code. Go back to MailAdmin. Let's create a second signature and name it Alternate Signature. Click the More Options icon and select the Insert HTML icon. Paste the HTML copied from the signature generator. When we compose a new email, you will see both user signatures available for your emails. For a consistent email signature across your entire organization, let's open MailAdmin and use the Organization Signature option. We will name this one Org Signature. Click the More Options icon and select the Insert HTML icon. Paste the HTML copied from the signature generator. Now, let's highlight and replace the name, title designation, email address, and phone number using the placeholders above the signature editor. Save the signature. Organization signatures override user signatures. So, when we compose a new email, the organization signature will automatically appear. However, a user can replace the org signature with a user signatures at any time. This concludes our tutorial on creating professional email signatures using Zoho Tool. If you have any questions, please reach out to your AE. And until next time, keep growing.